Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have something special on the table: the MSI MAG325CQRF gaming monitor.
Let's jump right in. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with the design of the MSI MAG325CQRF.
This 32-inch QHD-VA panel boasts a sleek, curved design that immediately catches the eye. The 1000R curve provides an immersive experience, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. The thin bezels and polished MSI logo at the bottom add a touch of elegance to the overall design. Plus, the LED lighting at the back adds a nice aesthetic touch without being too distracting. Now, let's talk performance. The MAG325CQRF doesn't disappoint in this department. With a 170Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync, and HDR support, it's built to deliver smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. I've spent some time gaming on this monitor, and I have to say, the experience is top-notch. Whether you're diving into fast-paced shooters or exploring immersive worlds, the MAG325CQRF keeps up with the action without missing a beat. Color accuracy and contrast are essential for any gaming monitor, and the MAG325CQRF shines in this area. With over 96% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut and a high native contrast ratio, images pop with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're editing photos or watching movies, the MAG325CQRF delivers stunning visuals that truly elevate your viewing experience. Beyond its impressive performance, the MAG325CQRF offers a range of additional features to enhance your gaming setup. From USB ports for added connectivity to a customizable OSD for fine-tuning your settings, MSI has thought of everything. Plus, assembly is a breeze, and the sturdy stand provides ample stability while offering tilt and height adjustments for optimal viewing comfort. So, what's the verdict? The MSI MAG325CQRF is a high-value gaming monitor that punches well above its weight. With its immersive curve, stunning visuals, and premium gaming performance, it's hard to beat at this price point. That wraps up today's review of the MSI MAG325CQRF gaming monitor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!